Hi everyone. Now let's talk about typecasting into float data type. Last class we have seen typecasting into integer data type. Now we are converting all the data types into float format and float data type. Now let's see from here, then you can say integer to float. So into float format now I'm talking about. So now what we need to do, if I'm taking float of, okay, then you can take it here 10. 10 is the integer. So now it's converting into 10.0. That means, so now if you want to get confirmation, what you need to do is you can take it a equal to 10. Then what you need to do is print of a, then try to give print of type of a. Then you can see b equal to float conversion, float of then a. Then what you need to do here, print of b, then you can give like this, print of type of b here. Okay, so then when we execute now, what is the output here? 10, sorry, print of type of b here. Okay, execute. So then 10 is the value for integer and 10 point is converting after typecasting. So we are converting integer value into floating, right? So you can take it same thing. Okay, then float to float is not required, then complex. So complex to float. Okay, so complex to float, whether it is working or not, just you can say here integer, sorry, float of, okay, then 3 plus 7j, you whatever the value take. So now can't convert complex to float, so we are getting error like this. You can go any approach also, not a problem. So when we go for here bull to, then bull to here complex, sorry, bull to float, then what we need to do here, so here I'm converting float of, then you can say 1 here. So when I'm converting here bull value true, so actually integer of true it will get one value, now it is getting 1.0. Then you can say float of true here. Okay, sorry, false, you can take it. Now false is 0, right? Now integer means you will get 0, but here you can get 0.0. That is converting completely into floating value. Okay, so now if you want to take it like this, if you want to get this confirmation like this, you can try to use this one also. Just take it here true, then try to execute. That's it. So this is the value, presented value bull, and then after typecasting converted value is 1.0. So you can try to give, even you try to give here false. Okay, so now execute here like this. Now here you can give like string to float. So now what we need to do, then float of, okay, then you can say 80, then execute. Now we are getting 80.0. So when inside the string some values are there in Python, it definitely it will convert. When you have like this 80k like this, then it will not convert, it will throw an error. Okay, could not convert string to float like this. Even if you go like this also, then you can say, so the string India is not converting into float format. So could not convert string into float. So always you can go float of, then value presented here. Then only it is possible to convert. So now if you observe here, what we need to understand. So in conversion, typecasting conversion into float format, integer to convert, we are able to convert here. Okay, when we are converting from complex to float values, we are not able to convert, as like in integer data type also, complex to integer, complex to float will not work, but vice versa will work, that we'll see. Now boolean to, or you can say bull to float value. So bull to float value is exactly it's converting, and string to float value, when it is a number, when it is an integer value inside the string, okay, then it will convert. When in the string, if we have only characters, so then if we have string values, then even one letter also is there, it will not convert. So completely, if you have integer, only integer values, then you can convert from string to float value. So this is all about float data type conversion. So you can able to practice a number of times by taking some examples. Very important, these conversion topics. Okay, so practice multiple times. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.